Love yourself. Hey y'all, your girl is back in her workspace, and basically what I'm supposed to do is pretty much put everything together. I already showed everybody online that I am back. I'm back. I'm trying to get rid of all of these clothes. As you can see, I'm right here in front of the Sabrina Boutique mannequins. I haven't even, y'all see, she don't even have Sabrina Boutique on. Now she do. That hat not Sabrina Boutique. With all these hats are not Sabrina Boutique. The bags are not Sabrina Boutique. However, they holding up on bags and stuff right now. But anyways, all those clothes over there and all those clothes over there, we getting rid of all this stuff, okay? All of it. And we are getting ready for new stock. Like, I'm gonna be upgrading a lot of this stuff. I think I'm gonna keep my green wall because I really like my green wall. I think I'm gonna get rid of this rack and put more shelves in here. So instead of now some wholesale places do bring like these pants and stuff, they came without being in the bags, but I will be purchasing bags. I purchased some before, but I ran out after a while, so I'm gonna purchase some more bags. I do want to show y'all. I have to purchase some more of these, but I was gonna throw these away. Because my website at the bottom was my old website, and the reason why I switched websites because I went to Shopify, and I really did like Shopify, but some hiccups happened, and I can't get into my Shopify account. So now I went back to my old website. But the thing is, I couldn't use my old link for some reason, so I changed it to shop.sabrinaboutique.com. But I looked recently, and I was able to get my sabrinaboutique.com back. So I'm so glad that I kept these bags. So I have some packages that I'm about to ship. I'm about to get ready to ship, but I gotta get my area ready. Like, I did all that online, but I didn't do nothing physical. No, I did. I'm lying. I did take a lot of these clothes down that wasn't supposed to be to Sabrina Boutique. I took a lot of those down, and then I organized my area that has all of the clothes that are inside the package bags. I organized those. I organized the ones that was in the boxes to see what I have, and I updated the website. So that's what I did. So right now, y'all guys are gonna watch me pretty much clean up my workspace so we can get back on it. Period. When I'm sitting here alone, I find myself. It's different when I'm sitting, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me nothing else. I try to teach you, but I
no flow. High fashion, like oh yeah, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top to the bottom, babe. Then you wanna shoot with the red bottom, babe. You know I like when you ride at the top, babe. She wants Chanel, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you go and do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah.
It's gonna be, I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give.
Alright, so I have halfway gotten through everything. What I'm about to do is go ahead and put the packages. No, I'm gonna finish what I was doing. I'm gonna finish what I was doing. Then I'm gonna put the package together so I can go ahead and drop those off. But I have to change clothes. I got hot. But for the finish, okay? Guys, so I am on the go. I'm headed to the post office. Actually, I'm headed to Office Max first because I have to buy some ink, and then I'm headed to the post office because I have to drop off some packages. So I'm so excited to be back. I'm trying to like show you guys my whole little what I do in a day, what I do in a week type thing. So if you like this video, videos like this, definitely put some hearts in the comment section. Let me know you made it to this part of the video. And yeah, if you have any ideas of like what you want to see in my boutique, if you are a person that likes to shop online, definitely head over to www.tabrinaboutique.com. That's TIBRINABUTIK.com. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. Go ahead and head over, shop now. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the video of the website right here so you guys can see. I've been in business since 2018. I have a lot of other videos on my channel that's talking about my business, but yeah, go check me out, shop now. And right now I'm doing a 75% off sale, so I look forward to see y'all in the orders. That is my thing. I'll see you in the orders. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the store, okay? It's hot out here. I'm gonna go home. I thought I was gonna be out and doing stuff. I'm sitting here pumping and I'm sweating. You can see it all in my face. It's hot. I need to drink some water. I might give me a cup of ice from Sonic. I like their ice. I'm gonna go home. I done took them packages to where they need to go. I didn't even record it. It was so hot. I was trying to get in and out, okay, so I can get to the house. But anyway, I dropped the packages off. I went to home, what's the place called? Office Depot. Got what I need to get there. Bought me some tape. I do need to still buy some ink. I didn't get no ink from Office Depot. I ended up just printing it off with them, and it was free doing that. And then going and get some tape. I did have to pay for the tape. I got the tape from, I like to use the post office tape, but I got that. But yeah, we better go home. It's too hot out here. Home, we have showered. We're feeling good. We did our duties for today, including cooking and all that good stuff. So if you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, for one, because a lot of y'all are here for other reasons, and this is just me letting y'all know I am back in business. Okay, back in businesses. I'm so excited to be back in business, and I'm so excited to be just sharing what I love to do outside of being a mom and outside of being a wife, outside of doing music. And I haven't even caught y'all up on that part of my life. Like, I don't even talk about that part of my life, but I do also am into music. You guys are going to see more of that on these videos also. And I just want to just let y'all in, boy, I just want to let y'all in on me, you know, outside of all those other things. So again, SabrinaBoutique.com, that's my website. Again, if you're an OG, then you already know it's all love over here. So any color heart in the comment section if you made it to this part of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.